This video guide is about removing the new ransomware type infection, and it is called SSJ. This ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that customers store on their computers. Before the ransomware attack, people can open their files without any problems. They can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data pretty easily. Regretfully, this SSJ ransomware may be easily injected into the system. Then, after the attack, people realize that something bad has happened, and they see this scary message saying that the ransomware is called SSJ, and that all your files have been encrypted by SSJ ransomware. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. By the way, it is presented in several languages: English, French, Spanish, and Russian, and Chinese too. Paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee that the files would be restored, so please do not pay the ransom. The ransomware, as I said, also modifies the files, and when you try to open the file, it also indicates this Buy Bitcoin extension that has been added by the ransomware to all the files that got encrypted by this ransomware. However, removing this extension does not decrypt the files. First thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the task manager. If you find any suspicious processes running here on the list, terminate them to stop the further file encryption. You can also clearly see that this particular ransomware modifies and changes the desktop background, mentioning the same scary messages in Russian, French, English, and Spanish. To remove the ransomware, we recommend using Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. For this purpose, you may download it through the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, then start researching the system with its help to detect and delete other threats fully from your system. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system. It might first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection and removal. So please do not cancel this process. This is crucial for proper malware or ransomware detection and removal. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program begins researching the system. It will give you the summary of all the threats that were found during the scanning. What is good about Combo Cleaner premium license is its anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks in the future. As I said, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact location on your system. And we strongly advise upgrading to premium license, which will help you to automatically remove this ransomware and to protect your data from being damaged in the future.